What is the interactions of a column and row on a worksheet called? तो ये क्या कहलाता है? सेल. Which function in Excel tells how many numeric entries are there? तो इसका क्या होता है? काउंट. Functions in MS Excel must begin with dash, तो an equal sign. The process of arranging the items of a column in some sequence or order is known as, तो इसको कहते हैं sorting. In Excel, which one dotted are range from B1 through E5? An Excel file is generally called a dash. क्या कहलाता है? तो हमारा वर्कबुक. What type of chart will you use to compare the performance to sales of two products? तो column chart. What is the use of the merge and center features in MS Excel? So it's combined two cells into one cell. Let us say the contents of cells A1, A2, B1 and B2 are 0, 0, A and 0 respectively. What will be the output of the following formula? तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3. Assume that the contents of cells A1 to A5 of a Microsoft Excel worksheet are A1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively, and the rest of the cells are empty. Selecting A1 to A5 and clicking on the auto sum button will display 15 in the dash cell. किसमें होगा? A6. Which of the following will not cut information? The pressing Ctrl plus C. You can activate a cell by pressing spacebar. Text formulas are used to concatenate and manipulate text. Which button do you click to add up a series of numbers? So the auto sum button. To copy formatting from one area in a worksheet and apply it to another area, you would use the format painter button on the standard toolbar. Which wizard lets you convert existing Excel worksheet data and charts into HTML documents? To insert assistant wizard. You can use the formula plate to create and edit formula containing function. When you insert an Excel file into a Word document, the data are linked. Which of the following is not located in the page setup dialog box? The page break preview. You want to track the progress of the stock market daily. Which type of chart should you use? इसमें हम लोग कौन सा लाइन चार्ट का यूज करते हैं? If you begin typing an entry into a cell and then realize that you don't want your entry to be placed into a cell, you तो किसका यूज है प्रेस escape. How to add comments to the cell? So insert a or comment. The default header for a worksheet is क्या उसका नाम था तो इसमें से किसी का नहीं होता. Input functions में you need the insert function dialog box. How do you get it? So click the insert menu and then click function. Which of the following describes how to select all the cells in a single column? The left click on the gray column title button. Paper spreadsheets can have all the same advantage as an electronic spreadsheet, except which of the following? तो इसका है speed. You can add an image to a template by clicking the insert picture from file button on the dash toolbar. तो क्या हो जाएगा picture. What function displays input data in a column or column data in a row? तो इसका हो जाएगा transpose. What happens when you insert an Excel file into a Word document? Placed in the Word table. Which key is pressed to copy cell contents using drag and drop? So none of the above.